Hello guys, this is Janki here from Logic Race Academy. In this video, we are going to talk about PHP in 2020. I know, nowadays everybody think about Python, Node.js, AngularJS, but today I want your attention back in PHP. Everyone is thinking about should I spend my time to learn PHP in 2020 in this year. So let's get started with why I want to learn PHP in 2020. So why should I learn PHP in 2020? So PHP is one of the most used programming language over the internet. But when comes to 2020 and impression of Node.js and Django, that all are frameworks, so it is common to see that PHP is dying in 2020. So not that all. From last year I got many people wants to learn Python. I just asked them why you love Python, and usually the answer that I get is Python is easy. In Python code is too less. So my second question is, do you love programming language just because of it's easier to write? Honestly, what you saying? Why not? Because there is a for loops and statements to create our program too easy. So in that the case is, I think you are mistaken guys. That should be not the case. I also love Python, but not because of its syntax. If read its blog and article, you will realize that just we don't have to define curly brackets in code. So why people love Python? Because it has so many libraries and doing things is easier there. Just because there are so many third-party libraries that you can include in your code and can perform everything is faster. Python is also not one of the most fastest programming language, but still things are easier just because of there's third-party libraries. But that's not the case. PHP is still rocking, and one of the favorite combination for developers is PHP plus MySQL. So use cases. Use cases are most important part for learning a programming languages. Before choosing any programming language, use cases are the most important thing in that you should look up. Choose your main app to learn any programming language, that is use case, right? See, for example, if I want to make an Android app, I love to choose either JavaScript or Core Java or as a Kotlin, right? I would never choose Python for my Android app development. Surely there are frameworks available in Python, but for that use case Python can be absolutely a bad choice. And similar on to that, like I want to learn machine learning. So for that I would love to choose a Python for that. I would not like to choose PHP or ASP. Surely their own libraries are there as well, but I would like to go with Python only. So that's the exactly use case. So before going to choose any programming language, please choose of your use cases. Now back again with our question, should I learn PHP in 2020? My answer is yes, absolutely you can learn PHP in 2020. PHP is still rocking and one of the favorite combination for developers in PHP plus MySQL even in 2020, and this is going to be rock solid as well. I know there are many modern startups and invest their money in new frameworks which is like Django, Node.js, Angular, React, this type of stuff. But you can not avoid the fact the CMS or framework in PHP like Magento, WordPress, like Laravel framework, CI frameworks, right? So there is a huge community of PHP and many blogs and articles are there, and also it's a funny language. Mainly the reason is how, because you learn the PHP. PHP is a programming language and it's quite easier to find a job and quite easier to deliver the project to the client, right? So just because of Node.js, Angular, React frameworks are famous, that doesn't mean that nobody is using PHP. A term of many rock solid companies are still using PHP and MySQL combination. Finding a job in PHP is much more easier in their competition. So like these CMS and frameworks are most dominating technology over the web, like WordPress and Magento. The both CMS are most dominating technology over the web, and what Magento and WordPress are made upon, that is only PHP and MySQL. Establish your career in PHP. How you establish your career in PHP? So if you guys want to establish your career in freelancing world, then definitely you have to go with PHP. You cannot avoid PHP and MySQL. If you want to work with online sites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, then I would highly recommend PHP. If you want to jump into the freelancer market, then you might want to start with WordPress and Magento. They both are CMS, and this CMS customization is very easy and essential, such as theme development, theme editing, plugin development as well. There are most asked service in the freelancing market, right? So don't compare PHP with any other languages like Python, like Java languages. It is not like that. So if you want to learn PHP, planning for that, right? Do the plan for PHP learning. So first of all, you have to learn HTML, basic HTML, basic CSS and basic Bootstrap also. So to learn PHP, there should be a plan of action. First learn HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and make 4 or 5 projects for that designing, right? For designing purpose, we are using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap, right? So then move to PHP basics. After that you can move on PHP basics, and then after you can move to MySQL basics, right? I know MySQL is not that easy, but as a beginner you choose the first easiest part of the MySQL, right? Then after you can learn PDO, that is PHP data object also, and after that you can move to frameworks as well. Most common frameworks are like Laravel and CodeIgniter. Laravel and CodeIgniter both are very useful frameworks, and Laravel as well as CI both are most commonly used frameworks in industries and easy to learn, right? And as well as you can learn also CMS, that is WordPress and Magento. Both CMS are very useful in PHP with combination of MySQL. So I think from this video you guys can get your questions answered, like why should I learn PHP in 2020, right? So if you guys any query related, any career query or whatever, any type of queries regarding programming languages, so you can visit our website www.logicrazeacademy.com, or you can contact us as well in 9316806997. So I hope you guys got your answer, like why should you learn PHP in this 2020. So thank you guys, have a nice day.